Hi, my name is Adil Mir. I am from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. I am a person with low vision. So for a low vision, there are multiple issues and problems facing day-to-day life. One of the issue will be when we are reading any document on a system, whether it is computer or mobile. So we are facing challenge and we are straining our eyes to read the document. So for that, when it comes to the computer, it is very tough to read 5 pages, 6 pages, 7 pages kind of document or more than that. So there is a solution which is inbuilt now in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. In the Word document, we have to open the Word. Then we need to go to the view. We need to go to the view option. Okay. In view, we will have the option learning tool. So in this learning tool, there are multiple options, but among that options, we will read aloud.
Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. When you click on live video, you can paste in the embed code for the video you want to add. You can also type a keyword
What
to
is
search online
happening?
for the video that best fits your document. To make your document look,
It is navigating and showing us where actually it is reading. One, it is reading also, and it is highlighting where it is. So this is the best option for any low vision when it comes to the reading a long document.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.